Gerund. What is a gerund, and how is it used? Stay with us. We will answer these questions right after this. A gerund is the ing form of a verb. It is used as a noun. Here are some examples. John likes playing piano. Henry is tired of failing. Lying is not in my dictionary. Now that you have a fair idea of what a gerund is, let's see how it is used. You can use the gerund in 4 different ways in a sentence: as a subject, an object, after a preposition, and, of course, after the verb to be. Let's see how to use it as a subject. A gerund can be used as the subject in a sentence. In this case, you can use it alone, reading, or with a phrase, reading a book, or you can even precede it with a determiner. You're reading. Let's see some examples. Reading is not part of his daily life. Smoking is not allowed here. Exercising in the morning is better than in the afternoon. What drinking water regularly can do is unimaginable. Do you think that speaking in public is difficult? Your speaking is too fast. Let's now see how to use a gerund as an object. Here, before you can use a gerund after a verb, you have to know some specific verbs that are followed by a gerund, because not all verbs are followed by a gerund. Here are some of them: admit, appreciate, avoid, deny, enjoy, hate, imagine, keep, mind. Let's see some examples. The man denied stealing the money. Imagine celebrating your birthday and only one of your friends shows up. If you don't mind my asking, why do you keep coming late? She enjoys being with her mother. Like I said earlier, some verbs only introduce an infinitive. Here are some of them: afford, afford to buy; consent, consent to take; fail, fail to act; hope, hope to be; learn, learn to have. Also, some verbs introduce both of them. Here are some examples: like to do, like doing; start, start to be, start being; stop, stop to go, stop going; try, try to learn, try learning. Now, we have gerund after a preposition. The gerund can be used after a preposition. Here are some of them: after. You can rest after cleaning the floor. Before. She arrived before calling her mother. For. Thanks for having me. From. I prevented him from spending all the money. Without. He left without saying a word. Note that the preposition to can also be followed by a gerund. Here are some useful expressions. The government is determined to dealing with insecurity. I look forward to meeting you tomorrow. Mike is used to caring for the needy. Now let's turn to the gerund used after the verb to be. Here, the gerund is used as a complement, not as a verb, so it should not be confused with the present participle. Let's see some examples. My favorite activity is reading. All he knows is blaming others for his failure. Jake's concern is making sure everyone is fed. Now, here is a simple way to tell the difference between a gerund and a present participle. Take the verb in ing form and place it at the beginning of the sentence. If the sentence is still understandable, it's a gerund. If not, then it's a present participle. Let's try together. Let's use these sentences. Jake's concern is making sure everyone is fed. Jake is making sure everyone is fed. Let's apply what we said. Making sure everyone is fed is Jake's concern. The sentence is still understandable. Therefore, making is a gerund. Let's try the second sentence. Making sure everyone is fed is Jake. Here, we no longer understand the sentence, therefore, making is a present participle. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using a type of gerund of your choice in the comments. And thank you for watching. See you soon.